There's Kelly. There's Kelly. She just got a little bit of a bath because she spilled gravy on her yesterday. Where's Tinky? There's Tinky. Tinkerbell, Tinkersmell. Okay, kids. Here's some of the property. This is testing out my new camera. There's my neighbor's new dog, or my new neighbor's dogs. And so we're not going to do any treasure hunting today because basically I have to go back to work. So no treasure hunting today or tomorrow. I got my new booties on. It's cold out here, a little bit cold. Not too bad. There's Kelly Louise. Yeah. I'm going to turn it this way. Oh, wait. Okay. Hello. This is Susan. Over here. Out and home. And, let's see. Anything behind me? There we go. Not too much. Okay. Testing out my brand new Vivtar camera. This is an underwater camera also. It could go down to about 10 feet. And it is really cool. And I'm going to use it for my metal detecting and stuff. See if we can get some good photos here, some good video. Yesterday we had Christmas with the neighbors and it was great. But now we got to go back to work. So we don't get time to go metal detecting. So anyhow, we'll do that later. Okay, talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.